Dedicated to the realism style, Bayramov insisted that his subjects posed live while he painted them, with rare exceptions made only for children and individuals that had passed away. Inspired by Turkmen traditions, Bayramov considered it a great honor to have the opportunity to interact with other cultural luminaries. The relationships he developed with these individuals allowed him to create his most famous series, Cultural Figures. This large body of work contains more than 150 portraits of individuals recognized by Bayramov as making significant contributions to Turkmen art, music, film, theater, science, and many more during his lifetime. There were many more people on the artist's list, but he passed away before he could complete the series. Some portraits took a few years to complete, as his subjects were busy with their respective crafts. Bayramov paints musician Anageldi Julgayev with his instrument, a traditional Turkmen goyjak. Julgayev played an innovative role in the development of Turkmenistan's national music culture. He is middle-aged and has a spirituality about his face that suggests he has considerable musical experience. The musician's fingers are long and muscular from years of dedicated practice. The most detailed part of this work is Julgayev's face, and the viewer is drawn to it by the comparatively loose brushstrokes in his clothes and the curtain in the background. While Bayramov only met some of his subjects for the first time when they came for their sitting, they were invariably lifelong friends by the time their portrait was complete. If the artist was meeting an individual for the first time, he would offer them a tea so that they could sit and have a conversation. This allowed Bayramov to better understand his sitter and unravel parts of their character. His ability to connect with people and uncover their essential qualities as he painted them allowed him to skillfully reveal the spirit of an entire generation of Turkmen visionaries. This painting captures a Turkmen usta, a Turkmen jeweler with his tools and equipment for creating traditional silver jewelry. In the artist's classic style, he captures the sitter against a background of a Turkmen flat tapestry woven carpet known as a kilin. This painting is a good example of Bayramov's use of deep and rich earth tones. The contrast and depth allows the images to pop off the picture plane and become three-dimensional. The usta's face gives us one of many focal points as he explains to the viewer the process of silversmithing. Bayramov paints Turkmen actor and director Hoja Durdy Bayramov in a comfortable position in his chair. Bayramov won the prize for directing and was named an honored artist of the Turkmen SSR in 1986, in addition to acting in 22 Turkmen films. Bayramov enjoyed painting Bayramov's angular features, his large, sharp cheekbones, his strong, weathered hands. The artist's portrait shows that Bayramov was no stranger to hard work, but had the wisdom of a lifetime in his expressive eyes. This painting of Gulbahar Masayeva might suggest she was a dancer simply because of her position on the chair. Honored for her choreography and dancing skills, she was named People's Artist of Turkmenistan. Despite her baggy shirt, Bayramov captures Musayeva's lithe form. Her strong arms and slender fingers wrap around her as if she is preparing to enter into first position. Despite her fairly slight figure, it is obvious that Musayeva is as muscular as she is energetic in her ballet movements. In its entirety, this series proves one of Bayramov's most famous quotes: "When you paint a portrait, you paint not the flesh, but the soul."